Hey guys, welcome back! Today we're making stir-fried bok choy. I think this may be the shortest video I've made so far. It's a very simple recipe using just a few ingredients. Let's get started. This is a pound of bok choy which I rinsed and dried. I'm separating the stems from the leaves. You can use a knife or just tear off with your hands like I'm doing here. Start with the aromatics, garlic and whites of the green onion. After about half a minute, toss in the stems. And continue to fry for another minute. Then add the seasonings, a dash of pepper, salt, and oyster sauce. Toss for a minute. Then add the leaves. Cook until they wither down. Then check the flavor and add more salt if needed. I'm topping this with chopped green onion and cilantro. This is a great side to any Asian meal. It's crispy, bright, and savory. It's one of my favorite vegetables to stir fry. The simple seasonings allow the natural flavor of the bok choy to come through. Hope you try this recipe for stir-fried bok choy. And let me know how it goes. See you at the next one.